Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. Hi, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Christy Sibilia from San Agustin, Uno Nauhan Oriental, Mindoro, Philippines. I'm 33 years old. I am married to Ederin Sibilia. I have two children, age 14 and 9. My height is 151 cm. Weight is 66 kg. I'm high school graduate at San Agustin National High School. I work in Philippines for 8 years for the 4 employers. My first employers start 2012 to 2014. 3 members, 1 couple, and 1 children, age 2 years old. My duties are doing laundry, cleaning the house, cooking, and taking care of the children. My second employers start 2017 to 2019. 1 member, age 68. My duties are doing laundry and house cleaning. My third employers start 2019 to 2020. 3 members, age 75, 45, and 18 years old. My duties are doing laundry, cleaning the house, and ironing. My fourth employers start 2020 to 2024. 6 members, 1 couple, 3 children, age 19, 21, and 25, and the old lady is 80 years old. My duties are doing laundry, cooking, car washing, ironing, and house cleaning. I want to work in Hong Kong so that I can help my own family financially and save money for the future my kids. But before I end the introduction, I want to sing a song for you. The title is Twinkle Twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employers in Hong Kong, Mama and Sir, please hire me for domestic helper. I promise to do many responsibilities and duties. I'm looking forward to work with you. Thank you. Thank you.